Shramayeva Jayate, or hard work alone prevails. These words by Dr. Narayana, my father and the founder of Narayana Educational Institutions, are the guiding force behind what we are trying to achieve here every day. He came from a lower middle class family but never let that become a hurdle in fulfilling his dream of providing world-class career-oriented education to Indian students. From a single coaching center in 1979, today the Narayana Group has grown into one of Asia's largest educational institutions. We have over 4 lakh students, 40,000 employees and 630 learning centers spread across 15 states. And like Dr. Narayana, we pledge to do all we can to fulfill the dreams of all who are part of the Narayana family.
My dream is to be an AI engineer.
I want to be a doctor. I want to become an IAS officer.
My dream is to become a scientist. At Narayana, my teachers are helping me in every way possible to make my dream a reality. I have access to the finest facilities. I can walk up to my teachers anytime to clear my doubts. I get additional study material to practice after school. I am very happy here.
All our students go through a rigorous learning program based on study material prepared by our subject experts. Both students and teachers follow a common micro-schedule that defines every hour of the curriculum. This includes the students writing weekly and bi-weekly tests that are conducted all across the country at the same time. All teachers also undergo a common extensive teaching program that ensures the highest standards of teaching.
There are many benefits of maintaining consistency in schedule, delivery of curriculum and examinations. First, it helps us teachers to focus on the week ahead, maximizing efficiency. Second, having regular exams helps the students to identify the topics where they are strong in and the topics where they need more focus. And finally, it removes fear and anxiety, which is the foundation for excellence in competitive exams.
This three-step process of integrated learning, regular testing and detailed remediation completes one full cycle of Narayana microschedule, which gives our students an edge above the rest.
The integration of all board prescribed curriculums along with IIT and NEET foundations gives our students a career-based and outcome-oriented outlook. Such exhaustive teaching methods ensure that they are well prepared for some of India's toughest entrance exams, helping them secure admission in prestigious institutions such as the IITs, NITs, AIIMS, BITS, etc. Moreover, such intensive learning has also resulted in our students achieving top ranks and winning medals in national and international maths and science Olympiads.
In fact, the students of our colleges have been consistently achieving top ranks in engineering, medical entrance examinations such as JEE Main, Advanced, NEET, BITSAT, etc. And this ability to produce top rankers every year has become the hallmark of Narayana.
While winning awards and topping charts helps the students' confidence, it is equally important to keep them up to speed with an increasingly tech-savvy world. To this end, we have introduced N-Digital, a revolutionary online ecosystem that gives our students a digital edge. Under N-Digital, we have N-Learn, where we provide students augmented reality-enabled textbooks for a more interactive learning experience. Then there are digital classrooms in all our campuses for video-based lessons. We also have 3D labs, robotic classrooms, adult tinkering labs, all integrated into the curriculum. Moreover, our students preparing for entrance exams get access to the world's best exam prep modules, tailored micro-lessons with tests, and the freedom to learn from anywhere that helps them ace these exams with flying colors. Then there is N-Connect, where parents can interact with school authorities online. They can chat with teachers, view attendance and examination results, pay fees, and enjoy a host of features that can make interaction extremely easy. And finally, N-Secure, that provides parents real-time bus tracking and notifications to ensure complete safety of their child.
Learning online is fun, but you know what else is fun? Playing sports. My school provides some amazing sporting facilities. My friends and I often play basketball, volleyball, and even kho-kho. Our teachers encourage us to balance our studies with sports. We even have in-school and after-school sessions where we learn from experts.
Other than sports, my school also organizes lots of extracurricular activities and intra-school competitions such as No for Shock Quiz contest hosted by Mr. Siddharth Basu, Spell Bee competition hosted by Mr. Harsha Bogle, Master Orator, International Yoga Day, Model United Nations and many more.
Taking expert care of students is a promise that we have made at the Narayana Group. To assure students' social and emotional well-being, we've launched the Disha program where qualified psychologists assist students to deal with situations effectively. Disha program also empowers students with the skill sets to deal with life's challenges with confidence and positivity. We include all the stakeholders involving students, parents, clinical specialists, academic and non-academic staff to provide the all-round support.
I enjoy complete peace of mind while staying in my hostel. We have clean rooms, hygienic food and excellent facilities like air conditioning and round-the-clock security. I truly feel my hostel is my home away from home.
We provide separate boarding facilities for boys and girls, and we strive to create a good community feeling in each campus.
Along with our comprehensive curriculum, things such as our excellent residential facilities, sporting infrastructure, in-house counselors, etc. helps us provide holistic education to every student. At Narayana, our aim is to create global citizens who are ready for the mental and physical challenges of tomorrow. Our entire Narayana family is driven to succeed.